Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's November the 30th, 2021. This is going to be our AMC stock price prediction. You guys can tell I already got one going onto the chart, and I needed to come in and speak to you all as to what I'm seeing now for AMC. So before I get started into this price prediction for the market in AMC, make sure you guys keep it locked in here. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. I don't come in here and give you all a lot of hype. I'm not one of those Moaz YouTube channels that's going to come up here and try to convince you and continually show you that the shorts haven't covered, or the partnership that AMC has with Sony Pictures about NFTs, that's going to be the spur of the market movement higher. And no, none of that. I simply pay attention to what people are doing with their money in AMC, period. The buying and the selling is the only thing that can spur price movement in the market in AMC. That's it. Whether it's a retail trader, whether it's a hedge fund, it doesn't matter. Whenever they come in and put on a play or a position, it tells you what they think. So the consensus of the market is what we need to be paying attention to, and not all of this other noise that is going on about the market in AMC. You all will begin to see that price is the only thing you need to understand where the market is trying to go. So make sure you keep it locked in here, right? Now, real quick, we may be seeing the process of a huge movement to the downside in AMC. Now, hold on before you all get a heart attack. I'm not telling you, that is going to happen tomorrow, that is going to happen next month, next year. But I just want to show you what I'm seeing on the price chart that can relate to the weakness that is on the market in AMC. Now, I know you all are holders. You're going to hold it until we get a so-called Moaz into AMC. Cool. This video is not for you. You just need to click off, go on to another YouTuber that is going to give you the cupcakes and the rainbows and the ponies that you want to hear about AMC, because I'm not that channel for you. I understand that. If you guys don't want to have both sides of the market being spoken to you or being seen to you, then yeah, I'm not for you. You have to go somewhere else. All right. So real quick, you guys can see from my last video, I was playing the strength to the market in AMC though. I was looking for the market in AMC to go up. Now, has it gone up? Yeah, it has, but it wasn't monumental. It wasn't bullish enough to where price was able to come up and break above $44 or even 48. I was really looking at the market in AMC cracking itself above $48, but didn't even do it then. So yeah, we had a couple of days to where we could have nibbled off some profitability into the market in AMC, but not many. So when you see this type of price action, it lets you know that even all the people who comes on YouTube and continue to tell you all the wonderful things about AMC and how they're trying to persuade you that we're going to get a Moaz, price is not telling you that. So you don't have to listen to treys or kohrs. It doesn't matter what they think or what they show you. Price is the ultimate deciding factor as to what movement is going to do. And by us not seeing price in AMC go up over the last couple of trading days tells me that the buyers ain't showing up. Maybe all of the holders of AMC stock ran out of money to continue to buy this market. So yeah, if you wasn't able to grab the bag in AMC right here on the November the 8th, or I would even say November the 16th and the 17th, which is 5.5%, yeah, you might need to cut the play. And if you were to cut the play yesterday on the last trade, that's 11.5% loss, right? So let me show you about what I'm noticing on the chart now, okay? Because I've been following the market in AMC. And for one thing, we can all see that price in AMC has been trading sideways. Now, I want you all to understand this, okay? There's no friends into the market. People are out there trying to take advantage of you, period. They're trying to get something out of you. So we need to try to get something out from them, which is why people don't care about your feelings, your understandings of the market. They don't care. They simply want to take the money from you. And it's vice versa. You need to think the same way. There's no friends in the market. And you can see over the last couple of months in AMC, we've been trading sideways for a while. Now, some of you may say that that is inclusive of price being prepared to squeeze and go up. There's other people in the market that say otherwise. This sideways consolidation of trading could be indicative of those with the big bags of AMC stock. They're in the market selling it at these high prices. Let me show you a different time frame. Since this is the last day of the month, right? I want to show you all the monthly perspective in AMC. Let me go ahead and show you all the monthly chart in AMC to give you all the heads up as to what I'm noticing into the market here, because we really need to be paying attention. Look at this. This is AMC stock on a monthly basis. Every price bar we see is a month's worth of price action. Now let's start here. Okay. Matter of fact, let's start here. The month of June. We saw a very good price move. I'm not going to deny it. Price did go up higher in AMC. Right here, we saw high volume. We saw a very wide spread. That was in June, right? Now, when you take the next month, July, the market went down, which is also inclusive of weakness, which is also inclusive of everyone saying that they're holding AMC, but they ain't buying it. Yeah, you may be holding your position in AMC, but ain't no one buying the market in AMC back here during June and July timeframe. But then look at that. August, the buyers stepped in because they supported the price up there around $32. They were successful into the month of August. That's where the buyers really came in. Well, that's cool. They got 1 month out of 3 to where price is able to be sustained and not drop. Cool. We got that. But then you look at the 4th month, right? September. Again, we are still seeing people selling the market in AMC. The sellers are dominating the market in AMC during the month of September, even during the month of July, and started in June. So out of the last 4 months from June to September, only one of those months, the buyers won. Now you come back into the month of October. The sellers are still winning the market in AMC. It's not hard. It's not complicated. This is why I'm here smiling, because people are questioning, okay, are we ever going to have a MOAS? Are we ever going to see the price in AMC go up? I'm not going to deny it. The buyers has been trying to push price up in AMC, but the sellers always come in and moves them back down. We saw it in October, and we're even seeing it here again in November. The buyers tried to pursue higher prices in AMC, but in the next 8 hours and 47 minutes, we're still closing towards lowering the bar. So this market in AMC is still getting hit with selling. They're not winning. The buyers are not winning into the market. I don't care what anyone tries to tell you that they're holding. Yeah, you're holding, but you sure ain't buying. Because if the buyers were in control over the last 6 months, definitely price would have gone back up towards $48 to $52, like I said earlier in my video. But we're not seeing that. We're seeing the opposite. So at some point, this market is going to get tired. The buyers are going to lose, and then the market will definitely break to the downside. Look at this from a weekly perspective. We're not seeing any strength into the market in AMC. So really, I'm showing you where the buyers are at. So this is where the buyers are going to have to hold the trenches. They cannot let this go. And it's literally right here, right now, around 36. So $36 and then $32 will be the next area that we will have the buyers come in and not let the sellers overwhelm them. They have to come in. And the only way that we will make the determination that they did show up is for us to see increased volume on a price bar that is reflecting strength. If we don't see that, we're coming back down to 32 and then 28. Yeah, we are. So I already know where the buyers need to step in. Do you? You got so many YouTubers out here trying to tell you to do your due diligence, and it's not working out because they're not telling you the overall emotional feel of the market. This is what it is. The people ain't buying the market in AMC. If anything, the majority of the market is selling. Now, this is AMC right here on a 2 weeks time frame. We got 3 days and 9 hours left. But literally, where are you noticing the strength into the market in AMC? Again, this is the only strength bar that I'm seeing into the market in AMC. We needed to see the market capitalize off of this price move, and we're not seeing that. For 4 weeks, price in AMC could not capitalize off of that, and then we're seeing $44 as restriction now. Yeah, sellers are stair-stepping their way down to AMC. They're pushing pressure on the buyers in AMC. Right here, this is where the market first came in, the selling. They came in and put pressure on the buyers here, and now they're putting pressure on the buyers here. You guys can see it. The market is making lower highs. This is where the market is pushing pressure on the buyers. I'm not here to convince you. I'm simply showing you what's going on. And until we see the buyers overcome these price levels, we're not going to see the market go up. We're going to continue to stair step our way down. Okay. So this is why it's going to be real important for market to hold $36.32. So now, given that that's the case, I need to follow what the majority of the market thinks. What is the consensus? I've shown you already on these multiple time frames that the sellers are dominating the market in AMC. So let's continue to follow that then. Now I told you that $44 is restriction in the market in AMC now. Now I already know that this was prediction that I'm creating right now, it can go against me. I understand, because I'm telling you now that we can see buyers step in at 36. We need them to. And once I see that, I will cut this prediction and play the upside. I will play the buy side then. But if they never show up, then I know that the market's going to try to come down here towards 34, right? $34, which would give me 7.25% back down here to 32, which is around 13. Those will be the areas that I would need to come in and take the profits before the market switches its course of going down to going up. 34 is first. I would say like 34.50. 34.50 would be first for us to eat off the market in AMC going down. Okay, which is around 6.75. Second area is around 32, which is around 13%, right? And then the third area is going to be right around $30. I'll say 30. All right, so now let me show you all this on a daily time frame. Now, can we see the market continue to collapse in price? That's why I wanted to show you all this monthly time frame, right? Because at some point, all of this selling that's been going on the last 6 months is going to overpower the buyers, and they're going to give up. And that's when the market in AMC is going to collapse and really come down in price and really take the air out of the MOAS and a lot of these YouTubers who's been pumping AMC and GME for the whole year of 2021. And once that happens, a lot of people are going to be hurting because these YouTubers have been trying to push the narrative that the price is going to squeeze, right? Well, it's not showing us that on the 6 months, the last 6 months. We're not showing that. So hit me up though. Let me know what you all think about the market in AMC. Are you looking for the price to go down? Because I am. I got my price target. I already told you what I'm looking at. What was it? $34.50, $32, and then ultimately around 30. Those are the three levels that I'm eyeing. So now it's your turn. I mean, hit me up. Let me know what you all think about AMC, where the price is going to go over the next month, the month of December. Where do you think the price is headed? And then after that, beginning 2022, how do you think the market is going to start out for AMC? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.